what is up, guys? Welcome back to RaceCon Network. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. I'm just starting this channel up, trying to get a couple more viewers and stuff like that. So I really would appreciate it. There is a lot of sick content coming shortly, racing with all different types of cars, stuff like that. It's gonna be super sick. More reviews, more car builds, everything of that nature. So please hit that subscribe button and like the video, guys. So without further ado, I'm gonna get into the thing I've seen a ton of people posting about, and that's automatic 8 speed transmissions for the Camaro SS's, I guess, and what's it, CTSVs as well, a couple other ones, ZL1 too. I think they just added the 10 speed. So the thing I see a lot about the post is the shudder in the transmission, and that is a super easy fix. If you guys do have a warranty, I 100% just go into your dealership and just tell them, hey, look, I have transmission shudder. Please flush my transmission and add new transmission fluid, and it'll completely eliminate that. Now, if you have to pay out of pocket, it's not very expensive at all. Well, my buddy does it for me, so obviously it's a little cheaper for me, but I think it takes 16 quarts of transmission fluid at about $10 a quart, so it'll roughly around $160 plus labor, whatever they charge you. That's why if you do have a warranty and it's expiring soon, get in there as fast as you possibly can and get that done. For some reason, when these engines just start shuddering after a little while, it's been happening to me pretty bad. I've had to get it done multiple times, so I'm sure everyone else has too. And I see tons of comments saying, hey man, like my transmission shuddering, like how do I get that fixed? It's just a super easy fix. All you have to do is just flush it out and put in new transmission fluid. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Sorry it was really short and brief, but I just kind of wanted to tell you guys because it should help a lot of people. I see comments on it all the time asking in the Camaro pages and stuff like that, and so I just wanted to put a video out on YouTube just to let you guys know that that is the issue, and that is why your transmission is shuddering. It does it with all the A8s, so I don't know why, but it just does. That's just how they were built, I guess. Take it easy, guys. Peace.